Very good morning children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. कैसे आप सभी बेटा? I hope you all are fine and everybody is fine at home. I just hope you all are studying properly and giving your best toward your studies. Okay, with this I am going to start my topic. Firstly, I should write down the details. Okay. I think the date is visible to you all. So today is 4/12/21. Class 11C. Subject psychology. I hope details are properly visible, and we are doing the revision also. So this I should mention here, revision, and we started the revision of the chapter 3. The basis of human behavior. The basis of human This is your chapter 3, the basis of human behavior. So I just hope all the details are properly visible to you all and everything is very clear to you in your mind. Yesterday we had discussed about that there were the two bases of human behavior. This we have understand that there were two bases. One is the biological basis and another is the socio-culture basis. One is the biological basis of human behavior and another is the socio-culture basis of human behavior. So in terms of the biological basis, I had discussed with you that for any kind of behavior, the two determinants play a very important role. One is the heredity and one is the environment. Basically, one is the biological basis and second is the socio-cultural basis. Where I discussed with you that what are the things which come under the biological basis of the human behavior. And I discussed with you the neuron, the structure of the neuron, the function of the neuron, what are the different parts of the neuron and the types of neuron. So मैंने ये आप सभी से डिस्कस किया था yesterday. Now moving in that one forward, today I am going to discuss with you after the neuron, the next part which we have to discuss in detail is there are some of the points, the little bit points like about the synapse, about the neurotransmitter. So they are not such a big topic, you can read it. So today in this video I am going to start the discussion about the nervous system. See, in the biological basis जो हमारा टॉपिक है, under the basis of human behavior, we are studying the biological basis. Biological basis. Biological basis of human biological basis of human behavior. Biological basis of human behavior. In this basis, yesterday we discussed about the neuron and today we are going to discuss about the nervous system. Okay. See, in biological basis, children, the two things and the two systems which you have to be more focused on, one is the nervous system and second is the endocrine system. ये दो ही चीज़ें हैं जिनके रोल को दिस चैप्टर हैज़ डिस्कस अबाउट. One is the nervous system, which is something related to the brain, okay, and which basically play a greater role in determining our behavior. And after the nervous system is the endocrine system. Obviously, in determining our behavior, hormones also play a greater role. So that is the endocrine system. Okay, so nervous system and endocrine system. Clear? Nervous system and endocrine system. ठीक है. Nervous system की classification है. So let's discuss about the schematic representation of the nervous system. Our nervous system is divided into two parts. It is divided into two parts. The one is CNS and another is PNS. CNS means Central Nervous System. ठीक है. CNS. Another is PNS, which means peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Now again CNS and the central nervous system is divided into two parts. Brain and second is spinal cord. ठीक है. Peripheral nervous system is also divided into two parts. That is SNS and another one is ANS. SNS in bracket is somatic nervous system and ANS autonomic nervous system. I hope the details are properly visible to you all. Okay, I hope you all are understanding this schematic representation. The nervous system is divided into two parts, CNS and PNS, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is divided into two parts, brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system is again divided into two parts, SNS and ANS, यानी somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Then again इनके भी parts हैं, like brain is divided into three parts. First is the forebrain, then second is the midbrain, and third is the hindbrain. Understood? Similarly, spinal cord is also divided into two parts. Spinal cord भी two parts में divided है. Gray matter and then white matter. Similarly, somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system division is also there. Okay. So firstly, you made this diagram. Then I rub it. So afterward, we will move toward. Firstly, you make it. I hope it is very clear to you all and very properly visible also. So it is clear now. We should move toward the division of the next one. Okay. Now the next part, which is I started from the brain. Okay. This I am making a division of the brain. Now brain, I told you lastly, it is divided into three parts. That is, first is forebrain, second midbrain, and third hindbrain. ठीक है, forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Okay. Brain is divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Now your hindbrain is divided into some parts. The first one is medulla oblongata. Second is pons. Third is cerebellum. ठीक है, medulla oblongata, pons and cerebellum. So the hindbrain is divided into these three parts. Okay. The next is midbrain. Midbrain has only the one part, that is RAS. The full form of RAS is reticular activating system. Midbrain hindbrain, medulla oblongata, pons, cerebellum, midbrain, RAS, reticular activating system. Now again the forebrain is also divided into some part. The first part is thalamus, another is hypothalamus, third is thalamus, hypothalamus, third is limbic system. Limbic system again divided into two parts. The one is hippocampus and another is amygdala. And the last division of the forebrain is cerebrum. Cerebrum and cerebellum both are completely different. Don't mistaken it with anything. Cerebrum or cerebellum both are different. Cerebellum is a part of the hindbrain and cerebrum is a part of the forebrain. This cerebrum is also known as cerebral cortex. This is also known as cerebral cortex. Cerebral cortex के नाम से भी इसको हम जानते हैं. Okay? So this is a division of the brain which you all should note it down and make it in your copy. I hope all the details are properly visible to you all. Spinal cord I already told is divided into two parts, grey matter and white matter. So I hope it is clear. So shall we move forward to the brain से आगे बढ़ेंगे. Again cerebrum में भी आपको in cerebrum also you have to read about the two things. The one is the lobes of the cerebrum. It is divided into some lobes. There are 4 lobes. And then you have to study about the cerebral hemisphere. That cerebrum is divided into 2 hemispheres, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. That also covered in this part. Okay, moving to the next. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Let's discuss with you the division of the peripheral nervous system. I told you that the central nervous system is divided into 2 parts, brain and spinal cord, that we have discussed. Then peripheral nervous system is divided into 2 parts, somatic and autonomic. So हमने उसका division नहीं पढ़ा था. So here I am writing down PNS. The full form is PNS is the full form of PNS is peripheral PNS is full form is peripheral nervous system. This peripheral nervous system is divided into two parts. Okay. The one is SNS and another is ANS. Okay. SNS full form is somatic nervous system, and ANS full form is autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Is it clear? Then somatic nervous system is again divided into two parts, that is spinal nerve and second is cranial nerve. Spinal nerve and cranial nerves. Okay? Autonomic nervous system is divided into again into two parts, that is SNS, sympathetic nervous system, and PNS, parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, everything is clear to you? Acronyms should be clear to you. Clear होने चाहिए. S for sympathetic. S for sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. And this one, parasympathetic nervous system. So basically we understood the divisions of the nervous system. The nervous system, which is divided into two parts, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system is again divided into two parts, brain and spinal cord. Brain, I discussed with you, is divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain is divided into four parts: thalamus, hypothalamus, limbic system, and lastly the cerebrum, which is also known as cerebral cortex. Then midbrain, RAS, reticular activating system, and hindbrain is related to the again divided into three parts: medulla oblongata, pons, and cerebellum. Medulla, pons and cerebellum. इनके functions हमने discuss नहीं किए थे. In today's video, I only discuss with you what are the structure of the nervous system, what are the different parts of the nervous system. Spinal cord is again divided into two parts: grey matter and white matter. Similarly, I am discussing with you the peripheral nervous system, which is also divided into two parts: somatic nervous system and autonomic. Somatic nervous system is divided into two parts: spinal nerve and cranial nerve. And autonomic nervous system is divided into two parts: sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. So basically in this video today I discuss with you the divisions of the nervous system. I hope you all understand it and you all have noted down the things which I have drawn. So still, if you have any question, any doubt is coming into your mind, we can discuss in the classroom. Okay. Thank you so much children for carefully listening and observing this video. Thank you.